for G circle F based on F and G. Here I have some examples, function F, function G. You just check that function F and G. From there I am going to frame G circle F. And afterwards we will discuss about that 1, 1 and onto nature of that G circle F. Okay? Just have a look. G circle F. See, F is a function which is mapping 1, 2, 3, 4 to alpha, beta, gamma. And G is a mapping which connects alpha, beta, gamma to ABC. So based on these two, we need to sketch G circle F. Okay, how the G circle F will be? G circle F is a function. Yeah, just have a look. G circle F is just connecting 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, to ABC. G circle F will connect this first set 1, 2, 3, 4 to the last set ABC. Is it right? Okay. Here 1 to alpha and 2 to alpha. So 1 connects to alpha and alpha connects to A. So G circle F connects 1 to A directly. That's one thing. And next one, 2 to alpha, alpha to A. So 2 to alpha, alpha to A, in the sense we need to connect 2 also to A in G circle F. 3 to beta and beta to C. So we need to connect 3 to C. Again 4 to beta and then again beta to C. So again we need to connect 4 to C. Now what to say about this G circle F? And from the side of F and G, we need to think about G circle F. When you look there, F is a function which is not 1, 1 as well as not onto also, because gamma have no pre-image here, so it is not onto with respect to F. And same elements 3, 4 have same image beta here. See, different elements 3, 4 have same image beta here, so this is not 1, 1 also. So this particular function F is not 1, 1. Okay, this is not 1, 1 as well as this is not onto. Okay, whereas G is 1, 1. Okay, because different elements have different images and no element in the G is empty, so this is onto also. Then what to say about this G circle F? See, once you look there, for sure G circle F is not 1, 1. For sure G circle F is not onto. Okay, when you observe this, it is very clear that 1, 1, it fails at 1, 1, it fails at onto also, because B has no pre-image as well as different elements 3, 4 have same image, and that's why that G circle F is not 1, 1 and not onto. Okay, so that's the first example. Then I need to think of the second example. Again here we need to connect elements 1, 2, 3, 4 to ABCD with respect to these definitions. Now this is F and this is G, and how to connect those? Just have a look. So first set have the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, and the second set with the elements A, B, C, D, and we need to connect. Just look there as per the definition. Yeah, 1 to alpha, alpha to B, so we need to connect 1 to B directly, and then 2 to gamma, okay, and gamma to D it is there, so we need to connect 2 to D. Next we need to start with 3 to beta, beta to A, so 3 to beta, beta to A, so we need to connect 3 to A directly. Then 4 to delta, delta to C, so we need to connect 4 to C. Just have a look. What you say about 1, 1 and onto nature of F and G? Okay, just I am taking here F, G. F, whether it is 1, 1 or not. F is clearly 1, 1. F is clearly onto. When you look there, no element is empty here and different elements have different images. So F is 1, 1. Okay, F is onto also. Whereas G is again 1, 1 and onto. G is also 1, 1. G is also onto. F is 1, 1. F is onto. G is 1, 1. G is onto. Then what to say about the G circle F? This is G circle F. Okay, connecting the first set to the third set. This G circle F is again 1, 1 and onto. Just have a look. Is it right or wrong? Different elements have different images as well as no element in the second set is empty, and that's why this is 1, 1 and onto. I have another situation where we connect again. See, F is just connects the first set 1, 2, 3 to ABC, and G connects the second set ABC to alpha, beta, gamma, delta. So now we need to construct first set to the last set. First set with the elements 1, 2, 3. Last set with the elements alpha, beta, gamma, delta. So as per the definition we need to connect 1 to A to beta. So 1 to A to beta. So we need to connect 1 to beta. And then 2 to B to gamma. So we need to connect 2 to gamma. And then 3 to C to delta. So can you just connect 3 to delta. Now what you say about F? F is clearly 1 1 and on 2. Okay. F is clearly 1 1 and on 2. But what you say about G? When you think about Z, Z is also 1 1, but G fails to be on 2 because this alpha has no pre-image here. Okay. Then what you say about G circle F? G circle F is again clearly 1 1, but it fails to be on 2. Just have a look with different situations in different examples. Just we constructed G circle F from F and G. Depending on 1 1 and on 2 nature of F and G, we need to think about 1 1 and on 2 nature of G circle F. Likewise, just I mentioned you 3 examples. See, likewise, we can construct different examples. Here, see both the functions, when you look there, here both the functions are 1 1, both the functions are on 2. Okay. Here both the functions are 1 1, one is on 2 and the other function is not on 2. And here, see, one function is not 1 1, not on 2, another function is 1 1 and on 2. See, likewise, you just take different examples and always you just try to construct G circle F and think about 1 1 and on 2 nature of G circle F. With all those discussions, at the end I have one conclusion with me. I will give you that conclusion. See, the proof, the logic behind that conclusion is simply nothing but observing different examples in this manner. Taking different functions F and G depending on their 1 1 and on 2 nature. From those functions F and G, you just try to sketch G circle F and think about its 1 1 and on 2 nature. See, one of my conclusion is, if both F and G are 1 1 and on 2, then for sure G circle F is also 1 1 and on 2. If among these two, if any one thing fails, automatically G circle F also fails to be 1 1 and on 2. And we know that, see, if a function is both 1 1 and on 2, we call it as a bisective function, right? See, I will give you all those different conclusions now after this. Just have a look. So with different examples as we discussed on the board, at the end we have different conclusions. If both the functions F and G are 1 1, then for sure G circle F is 1 1. If both the functions are on 2, then for sure G circle F is on 2. If both the functions are bijection, that in the sense F and G both are 1 1 and on 2 functions, then G circle F is also 1 1 and on 2 function. See, just I am identifying G circle F from F and G. Okay, that's why I use this implies symbol. If you know about F and G, you need to think about G circle F. Okay, if any one of these two F and G fails to be 1 1, then automatically G circle F also fails to be 1 1. If any one of these two fails to be on 2, then for sure G circle F also fails to be on 2. And I have another discussion. Okay, I don't know about F and G. This is one part. Okay, this is one part of analyzation. And another part of analyzation, see, I don't know about F and G. Okay, but I know that G circle F is 1 1. G circle F is 1 1, then implies of this side. If you know about G circle F, then what you say about F and G? You just check with different examples. If G circle F is 1 1, for sure F is 1 1, but G may or may not be. We are not guaranteed about G, but F should be 1 1. Okay. Then if G circle F is on 2, I know that G circle F and 2. G circle F as on 2. Then what we need to comment about F and G? See, if G circle F is on 2, see, we are guaranteed about the on 2 of G, but we are not guaranteed about on 2 of F. Okay. See, all these will happen just by analyzing different examples, right? If you observe these different examples just as we discussed, automatically you are able to conclude all these statements, right? If G circle F is bisection, I know that G circle F is bisection, but I don't know about F and Z. Then how to comment about that G circle F? How to analyze about G circle F? See F and C. Since G circle F is a bisection, see G circle F is 1 1 and onto. Since G circle F is 1 1 and onto, then F for sure it is 1 1, G for sure it is onto, and we don't know about the onto nature of this F, and we don't know about the 1 1 nature of this G. Okay, this is another part. This is one sketch of analyzation. F G from their G circle F. This is another stretch of analyzation. G circle F from their F and G. All these, we can conclude all these things just by analyzing different examples. That's it. Okay, just have it. Mathematically, certain proof is also there for all these things, but we don't need all those proofs related to the examinations. Okay, just have a look.